This is the moon shot on the Oppo Find X6 Pro, and it looks amazing, really. But wait, there's actually more. This is the moon shot on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, and it's astonishing. The details, the craters, it's just like you're there. And the Galaxy S23 Ultra, oh boy, this is phenomenal. But there is more to the whole story, guys. Now, this here is me with my Oppo Find X6 Pro in the hand. I wanted to show you the process to put an end to the whole moon saga once and for all. This is me here trying to aim at the moon and to shoot at the moon, alright? I just got 2% of battery left, so it was hard, but still I managed to do the shot. Now here, that's me taking the shot, guys. Pay attention. Now I'm gonna show you what happened, guys. Did you notice this? Wait, let me show you one more time, slow down. This is here what happens exactly when the Oppo Find X6 Pro is processing the moon. The AI tempering, guys. This is me now with the S23 Ultra trying to repeat the same shot. And I can tell you, the S23 Ultra takes some amazing moon shots, guys. And there is a lot of drama around this, is it fake, is it not? Now, we all know it's fake, everything is fake. Pay attention, I'm taking the shot right now, guys. I'm opening the picture. Wait, the moment the watermark is applied, let me show you one more time, guys. I am just focusing on the moon, boom, here I'm taking the shot. Pay attention, watermark is applied with some fancy AI processing. And now I'm slowing this down for you guys. See, it is not so drastic as on the Oppo, but it happens. And this is, guys, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra left with the internet on, and the right picture is I put my phone on the airplane mode. So I just believe we can put an end to this whole drama. So now we can conclude with a high degree of confidence that all these pictures are really manipulated. The previous one on the Xiaomi were shot on the super moon mode. But what I'm showing you right now on the screen, guys, is from the Pro camera, where apparently everything really is down to the optics. You can only go 50x there, and there is no AI tempering whatsoever. So if you use the regular moon modes on all of these phones, you're gonna get fake moon footage, guys. But if you want to do a good shot, guys, you can go and use the Pro cameras, the manual cameras, and still with the optics get some very nice images there. I wanted to make this video to put a stop in this moon drama once and for all, and to clarify what is fake, what is AI, what is tempered, and what not. So it's really great that those phones can really do both. So you can just get a very nice picture out of the box, taking the phone out of your pocket, pointing it to the moon, and it's gonna be fake. And you can play a bit around with exposure, right? Also with the focus, we have to set that one to the maximum infinite, and with, of course, other settings as well, right? The white balance to just get this really perfect shot. And that's also all possible on phones like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and sub. VST over, and bye.